You are watching my channel. Subscribe, share, and see my channel till my words are not completed. My life is stained from birth of from the birth of, and now my life is of 70 years. I am 70 years old, and my experience is not less than 52 years. More than, if you say 55 years, 56 years, and that is very correct. I say about a person who are living in poor condition and under the survival. I give you a tip for life. Till my age are 60 years age. That is golden days for you, for live with health and wealth. That comes from the saving of rupees 3000 rupees, and you gain it after 40-45 years, not less than 85 days or 1 crore. 85 days or 1 crore. It is very clear that poor persons are not save the money more than 3000 rupees. And if anybody save more than 3000 rupees, they will take more than 1 crore rupees. It is very clear policy of my policy that that is not my policy, that is your policy also. That is my not policy, but your policy. I am not taking any single penny from you. I am I am gain subscription from you for see my channel and get some good things from me. That 3000 rupees per month is generating up to 1 year not less than rupees 36,000 rupees, and 36,000 rupees are being after 10 years not less than 4 lakhs rupees. Please note it properly that how the money is working by your 3000 rupees. It means you are now gaining 3000 rupees plus 4,000 rupees. It means you are now saving 7,000 rupees after 10 years. 7,000 rupees you save 84,000 rupees per month, and then after 10 years it should be of 9 lakhs rupees or more. Now you are saving 7,000 rupees. Now you are saving not less than 17,000 rupees per month. ₹17,000 give you not less than 2 lakhs and above rupees per month, or 2 lakhs per year, and after 10 years you will get not less than 20 lakhs rupees. 20 lakhs and above rupees. 21 lakhs, 22 lakhs or 20 lakhs. So, now last stage is coming and the end your life, 60 years old. Now you are 50 years old and your next saving is 40,000 rupees per month, and you are again 5 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs rupees. You take it 5 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs given you not less than 52 lakhs rupees after 10 years. Now you are rich and rich and rich. You are gained 4 lakhs rupees, 9 lakhs rupees, 20 lakhs rupees, and last 52 lakhs rupees. You will totaling the rupees, it will come to not less than 85 lakhs rupees. That is my ideal ideas for you to save your money for old age. Save your money for old age from this age, beginning age. If you are 40 years, 30 years, you will double your amount and you will gain also same amount of age, 85 days and above. Thank you for your watching, and my words are 100% true for your life saving old age.